what's up? What's up? Got everybody here.
What up?
Should have backed in, but he didn't. Where's Brendan though?
I think he went to go get Jen.
Oh, we're not like pulling.
Beam.
I'm trying to get the chicken.
We're all posted up. Let's take a look at that menu, guys. We're all leaving the McDanks. We're gonna go hit up the car meet now finally.
Ready? That's so sick. Gosh, that sounded good. Alright guys, so we're going down this really cool road, as you can see right here. Oh, this road's actually pretty cool. It's actually heading down to the
Puget Sound.
Yeah, the Puget Sound. We're going down to this park. It's probably like near the beach. I think it's pretty cool, but I mean, we're out in the woods now. We just came out of the city, so it's pretty cool. Oh shit, we got a whole line of cars behind us.
Bro, that Jen's just sticking with us.
I know.
That's fucking weird.
Where is everybody? Oh, where's this guy going?
Yeah, where the cars away?
You're listening to Redneck.
Alright guys, the meet moved again, so I don't know what is going on, but I guess, so I don't even know, but Kyle said he knows where the new meet location is, so he's leading us there. And I don't even know, we lost Brendan, I think, and maybe that guy with the Passat, so, yeah, we're just gonna go, I'm just gonna follow Kyle and see where the new meet location is. It's kind of stupid, but yeah. This is sick! Dude, I have shitty tires.
Hey, don't. I swear to God. If we get shot.
I'm not getting shot. We totally lost the other guys, just me and Kyle here.
So, you know, people were ripping it in this parking lot just a second ago, but it stopped. I think people are actually leaving right when we're getting here. Where you guys at? Look at that oil leak, guys. Miata oil leak. Oh, is this a 135? Stock 135? Automatic, really. D-badge. We got 335 right here, convertible.
Guys, so I just turned the microphone around now, so I can, so it's like pointing towards me, so I can record better. I mean, it looks really fucking weird, but who cares? So, don't I look really weird? All right, what's up, guys? Bro, I turned the mic around so people can hear me better when I talk. Dude, there's people doing.
He looks like a fucking dumbass.
I look like a fucking dumbass, but you know, dude, there were people ripping donuts in this parking lot up here. It's a beautiful machine right here, track monster.
I was like, oh, there's no way he's making it. I have to rerun all my wiring in front of the car, and it's all standalone.
We got a 350Z right there. Kitties look mint. Subi looks mint. It smells like weed. This thing's static, according to Brendan. I can't believe that. Static gang ho. Oh, this guy's sending it. He's sending it.
Subaru now. Let's see what we can do.
Four-wheel drive, bro?
Dude, I raced this guy on the freeway. Should be on.
See how
It's open.
open?
My boy's roasting one wheel. Bro, just stop. Just stop.
Come on, Devin.
Dude, I
Come
can
on,
drift it,
Devin.
though. I'll show you guys.
Devin.
So Devin. Oh, it's a girl drive.
You wanna take that shit?
It's done. Oh, you got it, man. You got it. One tire fire. Eco boost. Woo! Yeah. Light 'em up. I would not trust him. Oh my Guys, look at this oil stain from the Miata.
Oh, it's got that like neutral limiter though.
Yeah. One tire fire. Send it. I know. One tire fire. Oh, dude, that engine's not sound healthy. You gonna rip it? Hey, that's awesome, dude. Yes, sir. Now we got some butt hurt right here. Yeah, there you are. Butt hurt. Hey, don't drift yet.
There's a guy there.
Oh, that's kind of cool, dude. I love mini trucks. Oh, he's dipping. He's probably like, fuck this shit. I'm calling the police. Alright. Bro, you gonna get us out of here?
This is a shit show. Everyone.
What? Send it?
What the fuck? Jesus Christ.
It's so open, dude.
Jesus, you went so close to that trash can.
Oh shit, that guy's bad.
What guy?
People are ripping it over there. People are ripping it over here. I mean, look at this guy. This is going crazy.
Bro, look how fucking tires are on that.
Yo, get us directions home. Alright guys, it's like a week later and I'm editing the video now, so I just realized I forgot to record an outro, so I just want to thank you all for watching. There's going to be more videos like this, like these car meet kind of videos. Now that our cars are starting to come together nicely, like mostly like Brennan's, we're finally getting out of the garage and out into the parking lot, so just want to thank you all for watching and stay tuned for more.